The short answer is prevention. The longer answer is dealing with it head on. In the second week of class, I always had a game. It was really a lecture about the ins and outs of plagiarism, but I disguised it as a game to make sure that we're all on the same page. And then when it comes to major writing, everything is done in class with me because I need to know how that kid actually writes. Even if it was a multi-day project, I would collect the physical materials, safe keep them overnight, and then return them the next day because I just got exhausted of otherwise great relationships with kids being destroyed because they made a dumb decision to plagiarize something and it just completely eroded our relationship because either they were embarrassed because I caught them, or they were angry at me, displacement, because I called them out on it. Even in my kind, loving way, I had several situations where I was not able to rebuild with a student after a plagiarism charge was lodged against them, and I just got tired of it. I got tired of losing prep periods to making difficult phone calls to parents. I stopped playing the game. So anything that could be done in class with me I write curriculum and my students knew that. And so it would take them 30 seconds to find my blog, to download something from my shop, and they would have the answer keys. So I was foolish if I thought they wouldn't do that. So I just assumed they would. So anything that was like a study question type thing or a one right answer kind of thing, we either did in class. I use those materials as study aids or as ungraded extra out of class work, but not like 4 points homework kind of thing. So basically I just stayed one step ahead of them. I hate to say it, I just assumed most of them would take the shortcut if I made it available to them. So I just stopped making it available. Prevention was worth a pound of tears.